Welcome back to Mo Kelvo Show. Kama kawaida, ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today I want to discuss about the business side of photography. The business side of photography. I know most of you think that photography maybe has a lot of money or has no money. You know, one thing you should know as a photographer, if you get to the photography industry, you should not have a mind of making money. You should have a mind of creating value. If you create value, but in most cases you have different people who see things from different perspectives. There are those people who come up with good strategy of making money. There are those people who come up with different strategies of creating value. So we are comparing here a photographer who has created value and another photographer who has strategies of making money. So let's say, for example, this guy has decided to take one picture for 500 shillings outdoor photos, 500 per photo. And this other guy who is in business side of our photography, this is on business, creating value, taking 500 per pic, but has few clients who produces the quality. And this guy with a lot of business strategies, like for example, maybe he has 5 or more cameras, maybe 5 or 10 cameras, and he charges only 100 bob. Let's say, for example, 100 bob. So I want to see between these guys two, who is better. Which path would you choose to go with? This has a lot of people, or the volume, a lot of customers because it's cheap, but he has a lot of cameras, maybe 10 of them. This guy is doing an amazing job. He's charging per photo is 500. He has very few clients, but they produce the quality. So let's go to this guy who sells per photo 100. You know, if you sell photos per pic 100 and you have more than 100 customers, because people like cheap things, you go for maybe you target people who are maybe students, maybe people who are low or all the medium classes, and you go for high classes if you are going for 500. So this guy is making from a camera, one camera is making 100 times, maybe some client to say maybe 1000 per client. Mwenye analipa 100, who pays 100, he makes 1000 from per client. Let's say, for example, you get 50 client times 1000, that is 50,000 in a day, and that's one camera, and he has 10, that's 500,000 in a day from different places. That is a business strategy. Over this guy who is on business side, he sees photography as an investment. There is this other guy with passion who charges 500 per photo. And let's say, for example, 500, you get just 10 clients in a day. The advantage of this guy, if there is a bad day and you get to a client, no client will leave you with less than 10,000. That's the thing, no client. But this guy, if you charge 100 and you have a bad day, maybe you may end up with 2k. That's the thing, But you may decide you go on this path of volume over quality, and you can decide, or you can also decide to go on this side of quality over volume. Few clients, but they produce a lot of money. So you know, that's how it is. Yeah. Sasa let's meet next time. Next time tutaangalia vitu mingi. Ensure you subscribe, like and comment. I myself am a professional engineer and I'm also a photographer. Yeah, nitakuwa na ku take through about photography.